Hi. Guys, you may know me. My old YouTube channel I am getting back soon. But I'm going to show you my homemade weapon. One I made. Sort of cool. But I think it's boring. Let's just open it again. Pretty much. You can lock it. But it doesn't really work very good. Watch. If it's locked. Look. And you go. Boom. Go like this. And I'm going to show you another knife. This is broken, but I will fix it. Hold on real quick. Dang it. It is sort of broken right now, but I'm trying to fix it. So pretty much you go like this. Yeah, there's something wrong with that. Well, I'll see you later, bye.